Have you ever wondered if SoFi checks your credit score? It's a question that many people ask themselves before signing up for a SoFi product. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of SoFi and credit checks to answer that question once and for all. What is SoFi? Let's start by understanding what SoFi is. It's a financial technology company that offers a wide range of financial products, including personal loans, student loans, credit cards, and investing services. But how does SoFi operate, and does it require a credit check for all its products? SoFi's credit check policy. The short answer is, it depends. SoFi's credit check policy varies depending on the specific product you're applying for. Here's a breakdown of the most common SoFi products and their credit check requirements. Personal loans. When applying for a personal loan from SoFi, you can expect a hard credit check. This means that SoFi will pull your credit report from one or more of the three major credit bureaus. A hard credit check can temporarily lower your credit score, so it's important to consider this before applying. Student loans. SoFi offers a variety of student loan refinancing options. While they may not always require a hard credit check for pre-qualification, a hard credit check will be performed before you can finalize your loan. Credit cards. SoFi's credit cards typically require a hard credit check. This is because credit cards are a type of revolving credit, and lenders want to assess your creditworthiness before extending credit to you. Investing services. If you're simply using SoFi's investing services, such as its automated investment advisor, a credit check is generally not required. Factors affecting SoFi's credit check. Several factors can influence SoFi's decision to perform a hard credit check. Product type. As we've discussed, different products have different credit check requirements. Loan amount. Larger loan amounts may require a more thorough credit assessment. Interest rate. If you're seeking a lower interest rate, SoFi may be more likely to perform a hard credit check. Credit history. Your credit history, including your credit score, payment history, and debt-to-income ratio, will play a significant role in SoFi's decision. SoFi's alternative credit data. While SoFi does rely on traditional credit bureaus for credit checks, it may also consider alternative credit data. This can be helpful for individuals with limited or no credit history, as it can provide a more complete picture of their financial behavior. Alternative credit data may include rent payment history, utility bill payment history, telecommunications payment history, online purchase history. SoFi's pre-qualification process. Before you apply for a SoFi product, you can often pre-qualify online. This process typically involves providing some basic information about yourself, such as your name, address, and income. SoFi may perform a soft credit check during pre-qualification, which won't affect your credit score. However, a hard credit check will be necessary if you decide to move forward with the loan application. SoFi's credit score requirements. While SoFi doesn't publicly disclose its minimum credit score requirements, it's generally safe to assume that a higher credit score will improve your chances of approval and potentially result in a lower interest rate. However, other factors, such as your income and debt-to-income ratio, will also be considered. Should you apply to SoFi? Whether or not you should apply to SoFi depends on your individual financial situation and goals. If you have a good credit score and are looking for competitive rates on personal loans, student loans, or credit cards, SoFi may be a good option. However, if you have a poor credit history, you may face challenges in getting approved for SoFi products. Tips for improving your credit score. If you're looking to improve your credit score before applying to SoFi or any other lender, here are a few tips. Pay your bills on time. Consistent on-time payments are one of the most important factors in determining your credit score. Keep your credit utilization low. Try to keep your credit card balances below 30% of your credit limits. Limit new credit inquiries. Too many hard credit inquiries can lower your credit score. Dispute errors on your credit report. If you find any errors on your credit report, dispute them with the credit bureaus. Consider a credit builder loan. A credit builder loan can help you establish or rebuild your credit history. So, does SoFi check your credit score? The answer is, it depends. SoFi's credit check policy varies depending on the product you're applying for and other factors, such as your credit history and income. If you're considering a SoFi product, it's important to understand its credit check requirements and weigh the potential impact on your credit score. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.